How to remove a starter. I removed the battery tray, the air box, and the whole housing of it laying back there in the thing, on the table. Removed all that. I pulled the bolts out of this bracket so I can move this. I took the bolts out of this bracket so I can move this. That's your shift cable. Here's your battery connection. You depress that tab, you can flip that open. There's a nut in there you take out. Then this comes loose. I have the battery loose, or the starter loose already. And that comes out of the way. And then there's a bolt in the front here you take out. And then there's a bolt back here, the 14mm socket. And then the starter's loose. And you can get it to come out. Move this stuff out of the way quickly. Looks like I have something else connected on there. Oh, there's that. Did not realize that wire was connected on there. That must be the ignition wire. Disconnect that, and your starter's out. There you can see your 2 bolts hold it in.